Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Nailboo is probably one of the most sought-after dipping powder nail kits on the market, promising salon-quality results right in your own home. If you're tired of expensive salon visits or nail polish that ships after just a day, this all-in-one system might just be your holy grail for achieving durable, beautiful, and long-lasting manicures that truly impress. Get ready to discover how Nailboo can revolutionize your at-home nail care routine and give you the confidence of flawless nails every single time. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Nail Drill. Discover the ultimate convenience in nail care with our new pen-shaped nail drill. Its portable USB design makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Experience professional-level results with its impressive 20,000 revolutions per minute speed. Effortlessly polish, shape, and remove gels with precision. Designed with a compact form factor, it fits comfortably in your hand. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. From manicures to shaping and gel removal, this electric nail file handles it all. Achieve salon-quality results right in the comfort of your home. Elevate your nail game with this versatile tool. It's the perfect companion for maintaining beautiful and healthy nails anytime, anywhere. What we like? This electric nail file offers incredible portability with its USB design, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Its powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor ensures efficient filing and shaping. If you're a beginner looking for a convenient and effective tool for at-home manicures and gel removal, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product for nail art. It is easy to use and the results are professional looking. I love this nail polish. It dries quickly and lasts for a long time. The color is vibrant and true to the picture. The brush is wide and makes it easy to apply the polish evenly. No streaks or clumps. Number 4. Saviland French Tip Nail Art Stamper Kit. Achieve perfect French manicures with ease. This kit is designed for both long and short nails, making salon-quality results accessible at home. The clear silicone stamper allows for precise placement every time. You can see exactly where you're stamping, ensuring flawless designs. Whether you prefer long, elegant nails or a shorter, chic look, this tool adapts to your style. It's perfect for creating beautiful French tips consistently. Bring the salon experience to your home with this easy-to-use nail art stamper. Create professional-looking manicures yourself, saving time and money. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for stunning nail art. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals alike. Designed for simplicity, this stamper is incredibly easy to handle and clean. Get beautiful results without the fuss. What we like? Achieve salon-perfect French tips with this clear silicone stamper, designed for precision and ease. The jelly stamper allows you to see exactly where you're placing the polish for flawless results every time. If you love the classic French manicure look and want an easy way to achieve it at home, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The polish is very easy to apply and it dries quickly. The color selection is amazing, with so many beautiful shades to choose from. It lasts for a long time without chipping, even with daily wear. Number 3. Ranrose Short Oval French Nail Tips. Achieve a flawless French manicure with these short oval nail tips. They offer a natural half-cover design for a beautiful finish. Find your perfect fit with 12 available sizes. These tips ensure a comfortable and secure application every time. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. These acrylic nail tips are perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Made for durability, these false tips are easy to apply and shape. They provide a strong base for your nail art creations. Unleash your creativity and design your dream nails. These versatile tips are ideal for any nail salon or personal use. What we like? Get a natural-looking extension with these short oval nail tips, offering a half-covered design for a seamless blend. With 12 different sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for every finger. If you're aiming for a chic, understated nail look or need a base for intricate nail art, these tips are a fantastic option. What people say. The lamp is very powerful and cures gel polish quickly. It has a timer function that makes it easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in my salon. Number 2. Modelones Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter. Introducing the Modelones Dip Powder Nail Kit Starter, your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails at home. This kit provides everything you need for a salon-quality manicure. Explore a stunning collection of 20 colors, perfect for any season. From soft pinks and classic reds to rich browns, you'll find the ideal shade for every mood and occasion. Embrace the vibrant energy of spring and summer with this curated selection of hues. These colors are designed to bring a fresh and lively feel to your nail art. This comprehensive set includes dipping powder, base coat, top coat, and activator. Achieve a durable and glossy finish with our easy-to-use liquid system. Create elegant French manicures with ease. The precise application allows for clean lines and a sophisticated look, perfect for both everyday wear and special events. Enjoy the luxury of a professional nail salon in the comfort of your own home. This kit empowers you to achieve stunning nail art designs effortlessly. Unleash your creativity with this beginner-friendly DIY kit. It's perfect for anyone looking to express their style through beautiful and long-lasting nail art. What we like? Explore a vibrant spectrum of 20 colors with this dipping powder nail kit, perfect for creating stunning spring and summer looks. The included liquids provide a durable and glossy finish, ideal for French manicures and more. If you're looking to experiment with a wide range of colors and enjoy the longevity of dip powder, this starter kit is a must-have. What people say. The product is very easy to use. The product is very effective and works as described. The product has a great design and is very durable. Number 1. Saviland Natural Cuticle Oil Pen. Introducing the Saviland Natural Cuticle Oil Pen. Experience revitalized nails with our nourishing formula. Wake up to softer, healthier cuticles. Our oil works overnight to repair and restore. Enriched with vitamin E, this pen deeply conditions your nails and surrounding skin. Specifically designed to help damaged and thin nails. It strengthens and protects for a healthier look. Enjoy a gentle yet effective cuticle softener. It leaves your nails feeling supple and looking their best. The convenient pen applicator makes it easy to use anytime, anywhere. Keep your nails perfectly cared for on the go. What we like? Nourish and revitalize your nails with this set of cuticle oil pens, enriched with vitamin E for deep hydration. These pens are designed to repair dry, damaged cuticles overnight, promoting healthier nail growth. If you struggle with dry or thin nails and are looking for a convenient way to strengthen and protect your cuticles, these pens are perfect for you. What people say. The Nailboo Dip Powder Kit is a game changer for at-home manicures, offering a salon-quality finish with its easy-to-use system. Users love the durability of the Nailboo Dip Powder, with manicures lasting up to 3 weeks without chipping or peeling. The Nailboo Kit includes a variety of vibrant colors and essential tools, making it a comprehensive solution for achieving professional-looking nails. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.